Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time we wrapped up ratios and proportions, and today we're going to be starting a very important topic, linear equations. You will be seeing this a lot on the SAT, and since it's such a big topic, let's get started right away. Let's take a look at this question. The mean number of students per classroom y at the central high school can be estimated using the equation y is equal to 0.8636x plus 27.227, where x represents the years since 2004 and x is less than or equal to 10. Which of the following statements is the best interpretation of the number 0.8636 in the context of this problem? Now, usually on the SAT, you'll be looking at linear equations representing real life situations. The general form of a linear equation is y is equals to mx plus b. And when dealing with real world situations, here are some important rules. B, the y-intercept, is going to represent a starting, a beginning, or a fixed cost. You want to remember that when you're dealing with questions involving hourly charges or height or anything like that. And m, your slope, is going to represent the rate, the increase, the decrease, or anything of that sort. Now, using these two, we can easily solve any question involving a real life situation. Let's look here. Y is equal to 0.8636x plus 27.227. 27.227 is the y-intercept. That means that is the starting. That means the initial mean number of students per classroom was 27.227. And 0.8636 is the rate of change, the yearly increase, since it's positive. If it was negative, it would be decrease. The yearly increase in the mean number of students. And if you look at option D, it is the estimated yearly increase in the mean number of students per classroom. So the option is going to be D. Now that I showed you how to do that, try and solve this question, and I'll show you how to do it in the next